Hi there, welcome to Game Foundry. Today's video I will show you how to create a first-person character in just 1 minute. I was testing the player blueprint and I discovered a new method how to create a first-person character that have a smooth movement in just 1 minute. It's a very simple tutorial to follow, then let's start. Open your content browser and let's go to the player blueprint. Go to viewport and select camera boom. Let's change the length to 0 and now let's move our camera boom with the camera to player head. Select the mesh and let's change the visibility to disable. Now in the camera boom, let's add camera leg and camera leg rotation. And that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please give her a like in the video, subscribe to the channel to don't lose any content. We publish videos here every week and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.